Does the Justice Institute offer a course for paramedics who want to work in industry?
JIBC offers many training courses that would be useful for paramedics who want to work in industry, or for those who are interested in occupational first aid positions. The advantages of working as a paramedic in industry are that many of these jobs provide full-time employment and cover travel and living expenses. You may have the ability to earn considerable income, and once hired, many organizations will pay for you to pursue further training. If you are interested in learning more, you can find these types of job postings by searching employment websites with terms like first aid attendant or occupational first aid.
How can I prepare for this industrial paramedic career path?
If you want to work as a paramedic in industry, you might need training and experience in other areas related to the specific job or employer. Some general recommendations for courses might include health and safety education, confined space and technical rope rescue, hazardous material response, H2S Alive, or the Paramedic in Industry training course. It is best to look at job postings from companies that you are interested in working for to see what they require.
Great, thank you. Where can I find more information?
I hope that you have been able to learn a bit about what other careers someone with paramedic training might pursue other than pre-hospital care or paramedicine. The best place to find more information is on some of the websites listed here. Thank you for your time today and best of luck with your career search.